This is your host Dr. Syed Bakar, and in this induction program I will give you an overview how the Department of Studies in Microbiology will schedule your academic stay at KSOU and Department of Studies in Microbiology. Myself Dr. Syed Bakar, working as an assistant professor at the Department of Studies in Microbiology. First of all, I would like to welcome you all for KSOU and Microbiology family. Our department was established in 2012 and we have an experienced faculty, and our department is headed by Dr. Niranjan Raj. Yes, he has an experience of more than 25 years in both academics and research. Myself have experience of more than 13 years in academics and as well as research. Let us begin with the overview of this induction program and overview of the Department of Studies in Microbiology. The Microbiology department gives you a world-class platform for every learner where they can learn basic concept of microbiology up to the applied concepts of microbiology and different platforms where you can use this knowledge in order to establish your career in microbiology. The syllabus is very competitive, where we give an overview on how microbes were involved, the basic information of microorganism and how they establish, how they multiply, what are the physiological conditions they require, and what are the different types of branches in microbiology, how microbiology involved as an applied field of science and conquering the world in recent past. The best example is COVID-19 in 2029, where the entire world was engulfed with the viruses and all the sectors were completely halt. So microbiology plays a very important role in day-to-day life as well. Moving on to the syllabus part, where the first semester you will be learning history and development of microbiology. The second semester you will be studying different types of branches of microbiology. The third semester you will go into deeper of applied microbiology, and in fourth semester you will be having the applied aspects of microbes along with the dissertations. The SLM part. SLM is nothing but self-learning material, where you will be given world-class academic material related to microbiology, which is compiled and written by the experts in the field of microbiology, and this will be edited and headed by our HOD, Dr. Niranjan Raj, who will be editing this book, and the complete book will be given to you based on your different semesters. And in every book contains different units, different blocks. Every unit, after every chapter you have checked the progress, where you can, after the studying the SLM, you can check your progress, like how much you have understood. If you have any doubt related to this, and that will be covered during online and offline classes, theory classes. Coming to the practicals, you will be having 12 days of practical sessions during PCP program. PCP is nothing but personal contact program, where you will come, you will be enriched with the practical skills of microbiology, where you will be taught how microbes to be isolated from different sources such as soil, water, air, etc. How microbes are grown, what are the requirement factors for microbes to be grown. In your first semester you will be learning this. Along with this you will be learning about the important instruments used in microbiological laboratory. Like this, subsequently you will be having the second semester, where you will be learning about different experimental parts related to microbiology, even in third semester, fourth semester, etc. For this you will be given a laboratory manual, and this laboratory manual is exclusively designed for microbiologists, and where you will be given the experimental procedures, aim of the experimental, what are the requirements, procedure how to follow, and you will write this in your record book, and when you come to the PCB program or practical sessions, you will be working on it. The results what you get, you will record in this, and this record carries marks. And after your practical sessions, you will be having practical exams which will be held at the Department of Studies in Microbiology. Along with this, PCP is very important component in your academic journey, especially in KSOU, where you will be having one-to-one interaction with the faculty as well as the students, where a student can interact with the faculty and discuss how he or she can excel in the field of microbiology and how they can excel in their academics. Moving on to the internal marks. Here you won't be having any exams. Instead, you will be given a topic for internal assessment where you will write an assignment. Each paper will be having a topic where you will be writing assignment on that particular topic, which carries 20 marks. To write this assignment, you need to write at least a minimum of 8 pages and 2 figures, and the number of pages can extend up to 10, 15, 20, etc. But minimum of 8 pages is highly essential for you to write and submit your assignment. This carries 20 marks. Moving on to the MSc pattern, this is choice-based credit system, wherein you have students have the liberty to choose the soft core subject, where the 2 hardcore papers are compulsory for all the students, whereas the 2 soft core papers a student has the liberty to choose based on their interest. And moving on to this, after the practical session, after your theory classes, then you will be conducted with the theory examination, and theory examination will be carried for 80 marks. In this 80 marks, when it comes to BSc, you have part A, wherein you need to answer 10 questions which carries 2 marks each, which means 20 marks, part A. Part B, where you need to answer 6 questions which carries 5 marks each, altogether 30 marks. Similarly, part C, 3 questions you need to write for 10 marks, which is 30 marks. So altogether 20, 30, 30, 80 marks. Coming back to the MSc, here you have section A, section B and section C. The first section, part A, which is nothing but the part A, where you will be writing 4 questions for 5 marks, which is 20 marks, and section B, 3 questions for 10 marks, 30 marks, and section C, 2 questions for 15 marks, which is nothing but the 30 marks. Now, as you have enrolled to the microbiology as a microbiology subject, what is the next procedure from the department? What is the next procedure you need to do? First, we will collect the detailed information from the admission sector or admission division. From there, we will compile the students who have enrolled to the microbiology. We will create an WhatsApp group from the department, which will be which will be run by the HOD and the faculty. This group will be a complete platform to discuss all your grievances related to the subject of microbiology, all your doubts related to the functioning of the department, everything. This WhatsApp group is very important. So every student will be invited to join this group. After joining to this group, you have cleared the first part of your academic journey, and everything goes on smoothly, and the faculty will be there 24/7 to help you, to guide you, to nourish you, to complete this academic journey. Now, some of the highlights of the Department of Microbiology. The first highlight is, once you join for microbiology, we will be provide a career counseling, wherein you will be given an overview of, after completion of microbiology, what are the best options you have to build your career. For example, you can go to the food industry, you can go to the pharmaceutical industry, you can go to the any drug industry, you can take up your research in take up your career in research related activity, you can take up your career in teaching, you can go abroad. So there are various domain or discipline where you can build your career given microbiology as your MSc, right? The second highlight of the department is the department provides every student a liberty so that if he or she is interested, they can come to the department and carry out their dissertation or internship during their 4th semester. And the department gives you a complete research platform. If you are planning to build your career in research, then the department has an excellent facility to carry out, to build your research from the seed, to build your research from the scratch. Myself and our HOD Dr. Niranjan Raj gives a liberty for the students by conducting competition of scientific writing. You will be taught how to write a scientific article, you will be taught how to search a scientific article, how to build your career in research related activity. Along with this, online classes will be conducted periodically, and we have our in-house YouTube channel called as Learner's Gate, where all the online classes will be recorded and uploaded into that YouTube channel. Along with this, Drishyavahini, KSY Drishyavahini gives an excellent platform for entire students where they can see and learn based on their convenient time. Also, the department has the department club called as Microzone. This club is run by the students, where students will be voluntarily selected or voluntarily chosen based on their interest, and they will conduct the yearly activity of this club, where you will be doing different kinds of activity related to microbiology and how it benefits to the society. And this is headed by our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Registrar and other statutory officers. So here you have the liberty to come up with your extracurriculum skills along with your academics. Along with this, our department also has a newsletter which is released annually, where a student can write an article and publish in this newsletter, and this newsletter is internationally recognized, where you will get the participants, you get interacted with the scientific community. You have, with the previous 3 editions of newsletter, we have got the contributors from different parts of the world such as Russia, China, Dubai, Slovenia, Finland, India. In India, you have got Delhi University, West Bengal University, Bangalore University. In Mysore, you have in-house KSY students have given the articles. JSS University students have given the article. SJC students have given the article. Mysore University students have given the article, which is exclusively for both students as well as the scientific community. Along with this student competition, we have essay writing competition, we have scientific writing competition, we have other related competition, extracurriculum activity, which will give you an extra boost to make you feel that you are not in ODL system mode, but also you are in virtually connected with the faculty, with the department, with the university. At the same time, every student will be given a liberty to do seminars, and here a student will be given a topic where the students will present their seminar based on the given topic, and this seminar topic will be streamed at in-house YouTube channel Learner's Gate. At the same time, you have mushroom cultivation 7 days training program annually. Any student can choose this mushroom cultivation program, which will be helpful if you are planning to build your any startup related to mushroom cultivation. Along with this, we have PhD in regular mode at the Department of Studies in Microbiology, and we have BSc, which was recently started, and you have a different combinations: BMF Biochemistry Microbiology Food Science, BBM Biochemistry Botany Microbiology, CBM Chemistry Botany Microbiology, CZM Chemistry Zoology Microbiology. Along with this, the microbiology department is also having open elective for the other department students, and you also have generic elective for bachelor degree students. With this, let me conclude this induction program. If you have any doubt, you can contact us anytime. Our contact details is available on the website of KSOU. Thank you. Wish you all the best at KSOU. Good luck.